What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. Now today I'm going to show you a quick fix to an issue that often happens on these John Deere Z9 commercial mowers, and that is going to be just the fact that we may not have enough leg room for our operators with our handles, even with them adjusted up into the top position. But there is an easy fix for this. It only takes two parts, three really. It's going to take one of these plates right here, which is a TCU 20722. That is going to be the extender plate. And then you are going to need one rounded head bolt. Now this is a 1025 and it does have that collar there. So it needs to be a metric 10 with a length of at least 25, 30 is a little bit better, and then a locking nut. And then you're going to use the existing hardware that's on there. I already have one put on so that you can see the difference in the height. So if you are those taller operators with those longer legs, this plate may be something that you want to get to add to the legroom of your machine. Now for the install process, this is going to be very, very easy. What we need here is a 15mm socket. You more than likely are going to need this deep socket just because of the length of these bolts. So what we want to do first, let's go ahead and take the nuts off of our top and bottom here. Just like so, and then we can see that our handle now is loose. So we don't want to lose our hardware here that's already in our control arm. We want to make sure and keep those in place. So now we're going to take that plate and pop it out of the package. We're going to mount it here just like that onto our control arm. Then we can go ahead and go back on with our bottom nut just to hold that in place. Just like so. Then we're going to take our new bolt here, go into that top hole. Now this is why this is important, that we need to make sure whenever we are getting one of these metric 10 by 25 or 10 by 30 bolts that we do have that square collar, because this is a square hole that you're going to be going into on the bracket. So we're simply going to push that in, and we're going to go back on here with our control lever. Make sure you get that turned around the correct way. Now what we want to do is put our top nut on first, and reason that we want to do this, we want to get that down just snug, just a little bit here, and then we can adjust if we need to give ourselves a little bit more room. We can adjust the swivel here on our bottom bolt. So we're going to line ours up just kind of right here in the middle. Go ahead and get that nut started back on. And then all we have to do now is tighten those down. Just like so. Now, once you've gotten those on, if you are a taller operator, those are now going to be up much higher. This could be a lot more comfortable for you. So just knowing that you have that option of adding that on. And just if you want to know how much you're getting, if we took a tape measure here and we measured from that bottom bolt to that top bolt, what you're gaining is about 2 inches. So for that taller operator with those longer legs, that may be a lifesaver when operating this machine. Also, it's kind of nice just having those levers a little bit higher, and for very little cost, 2 plates, 2 bolts, 2 nuts, you can have this done to your machine. So guys, I hope this helped you out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, if you're looking for these parts to add to your mower, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com for those parts, as well as any other parts you may need for your John Deere equipment. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.